In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom in and out in Smartsheet. Zooming is one of the simplest ways to make your sheets easier to read, present, and work with for long stretches. To show this in context, let's open a basic sheet together. Start on the Smartsheet homepage. From here, click Start a new project, program, or process. You'll see options tailored to different roles and use cases. Because we just need a place to practice, choose a template for your role in company management. That opens the creation flow. If you don't want pre-built columns or example data, choose to start from scratch. Next, choose a new workspace starting point so your items are organized from the beginning. When you're prompted for what to create, click Table. This opens a clean grid where the zoom controls will be immediately useful. With the grid open, here's the fastest way to zoom on Windows. Press Ctrl+ to zoom in and make everything larger, and press Ctrl- to zoom out and give yourself more room on the screen. Tap the keys a few times until the text, column widths, and menus feel comfortable. This adjustment changes how your browser renders the page, so not only the grid, but the toolbar and side panels will scale up or down. It doesn't change your data or your column settings, it only affects how things are displayed. If you notice extra horizontal scrolling after zooming in, zoom out one notch to bring more columns back into view. If you're on a Mac, the process is the same with the Command key. Press Command+ to zoom in and Command- to zoom out. Make small adjustments and pause a moment between presses so the interface can redraw cleanly. Large sheets with many columns are often easier to scan after a small zoom out, while detailed editing and cell-level work benefit from a slight zoom in. Icons, checkboxes, and attachment previews will scale too, which is helpful when presenting to a room or sharing your screen. A couple of quick tips as you work. Because this is browser zoom, the level you choose applies to the current tab, and it will stay that way until you change it again. If things ever look too big or too small, simply adjust with those same shortcuts until the view feels right. Brief taps usually give you the best control. That's all there is to it. You now know how to open a sheet and quickly zoom in and out in Smartsheet so your workspace fits your eyes and your task.